Hey guys, I'm Caroline with Team SENSE-ATIONAL, and today we're going to make a DIY weighted sock. Okay. All you need is 6 simple household items: rice, a jar, a long sock, a paper plate, super glue, and optional is essential oils. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take your rice and fill up your jar all the way. You'll need a good bit because the socks are big. Okay, so the next thing you're going to want to do, this step is optional, but it does add to the calming effect, is take any essential oil and add about 5 or 6 drops to your rice. So then you're going to take your sock and you're going to put the top over the jar, and you're going to flip it over so that the rice gets all the way to the bottom of the sock. And then you'll pull the jar off. So the next step is completely optional, but it does make it a little bit easier to glue. You can trim off any excess sock that's left, just like this. So next you want to take your super glue, and you really don't need much at all. This is mostly just to secure the knot. But as deep into it as you can, just put a little bit of super glue to secure the rice. Okay, so the weighted socks are used for touch therapy, which is scientifically proven to decrease stress hormones and increase serotonin and dopamine production, which helps with impulse control and mood regulation. It also helps to calm anxiety and improve concentration. But please note that these should not be used all day or with any activity that requires a lot of motion. So another really cool thing you can do with these weighted socks is put them in the microwave, and they help increase the calming effect of the essential oils and the weight of the sock. Okay, so all you have to do is take your weighted sock and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. And now your weighted sock is ready for use. I hope you guys enjoyed our tutorial this week of a DIY weighted sock, and join us next week for another tutorial.